deductions. All right, so today we're talking about making guesses. When we have some information, I'm going to make a guess about somebody. We use these modal verbs, must, may, might, could, same meaning, and can't to make deductions. So let's look at this handsome guy over here. It's a very nice picture. If you can draw better, show me below. He has a Ferrari. He lives in a penthouse. He has a beautiful wife, and he's wearing an expensive suit, as you can see there. All right, but I don't know that person. I have no idea who he is or where he's from. He's not a famous person. So if I want to make some guesses about him, I have some information. Now, this is a very easy example, of course, but I can say he must be rich. So in that case, I'm 99% certain that he's rich. There's always a 1% chance that, I don't know, he won the Ferrari or his parents gave him the penthouse, something like that. But if I want to make a guess, maybe an educated guess based on this information, I'm pretty sure, I'm 99% sure he is rich or he must be rich. So I'm just making that guess. All right. But if he looks like he must be rich, but we can say he might be happy, right? Money doesn't mean that you're happy, right? So he might be happy. Maybe I'm 50% certain that he's happy, right? Maybe his beautiful wife is not very nice, or his expensive suit has some mustard on it. I'm not sure, but he might be happy, all right? Now, we can use these may, might, and not could, but may and might in the negative. He might not be happy. And that just changes the feeling of the sentence a little bit. Might be happy is maybe 51%. I'm sure that he's happy. Might not be happy is maybe 49%. I think he might not be happy. So actually very similar meaning, but if we add the not, we just change it a little bit, right? It might be raining. It might not be raining. It just changes the feeling of that sentence, makes it a little bit more negative. Okay? And lastly, if I'm 99% certain something is not true, right? I can say he has a Ferrari, he has a penthouse, he has an expensive suit. I'm sure, I'm certain he can't be poor. So must be rich and can't be poor is the same meaning. We've just changed the adjective, right? But if I want to make some guesses about him, then I'm going to use these modal verbs to deduce or to guess something about him. All right. Now, if I want to say that we're certain 100%, right, then we just use be. Maybe I know this is Brad Pitt, for example. Now I know it's Brad Pitt. I can say he is rich, right? I can say he isn't poor, right? So this means 100% certainly not, right? Brad Pitt is handsome, I think. Anyway, anyway. All right, so that's pretty much it for deduction. Anytime that you have some information and you want to make a guess, you can use must, may, might, or could, or can't to guess what that person is or who that person is or what he does. All right, so thank you very much. Comment, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.